All right. Ebbetts Pass, Highway 4. Doing a couple day moto camping trip with my buddy. We've been riding for a couple hours already, but this is the spot where I wanted to start filming. Yeah, they just opened the pass within the last week. Was having this trip planned for a little while now, pending them opening the pass, and it worked out perfectly. They opened it up right when I was ready to go. Ebbetts Pass, 8,730 feet. It's also the Pacific Crest Trailhead right here. Woo! This lake looks like it's still frozen over. Wow. Look at that view. Back to 2 lanes. 2-lane highway. The water is flowing really well. All the snow is melting. Man, this is awesome. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. Highway 4 to Highway 89 right here. Monitor pass to the 395. Let's hope I got enough battery to get the rest of this ride. Highway 395. Coming out of the mountains into the high desert. east side, I'm back again. Something about the 395 and the eastern side of the Sierra just keep coming back. We're gonna stop in this little town called Walker and get some food. This place called Walker Burger. Driven past it so many times and never have I stopped. Hell yeah. My buddy I'm with. And then from there we're gonna go to Bridgeport, get some stuff to make dinner. We'll go to the campsite. It's almost 5 o'clock. Still got like 3 hours of sun, daylight, so we'll get out here, find a place to set up camp, unpack the bikes, and then head into the hot spring, watch the sunset. All right, here we go. After 200 some odd miles of pavement and highway, we made it to Buckeye Road. Finally some dirt.